2014 has been a very good year, and we have registered good growth, especially in foreign tourist arrivals, and phenomenal increase in our domestic visits also. Our annual foreign tourist arrivals have gone up from 6.9 million to now 7.4 million. So it's a quantum jump, and with the introduction of e-visa, the response has been extremely good, and we expect that within 3 years, India would be receiving more than 14 million guests, almost 1% of the global tourist movement, international tourist movements. And we really look forward now, because with the launching of Make in India, with the launching of Incredible India 2.0 we are about to launch, I'm sure the hospitality industry and hotel industry is now in for very, very good days. We have requested Government of India to lower the limits for subsidies and the finance for the hotels. I think if we are able to double our foreign tourist arrivals within 3 years, we would be needing at least 200,000 rooms more, and that would invite a lot of investment from the international and domestic brands. So I'm quite optimistic about demand and supply match, but we have to act very fast, and Ministry of Tourism would support all the hoteliers in their projects by way of getting land, helping them in getting land, finances, other clearances and all. So we are here as friends, philosophers and guides to the hospitality and tourism industry. So this Make in India, the pitch has been very, very well received, and most of the international brands who are not here, they want to come. And our domestic brands like ITC Welcome Group and all, they have very, very major expansion plans. So I'm quite optimistic, and I think the industry is gung-ho about the future prospects. So coming 2-3 years, I'm sure Indian hotel industry and Indian hospitality industry would be in for, and we are in for a booming time. I'm quite hopeful.